भारत के सबसे बड़े चित्रकला कार्यशाला के लिए हमने एक लंबा सफ़र तय किया। हमारी कोशिश ये रही कि हम भारत में विद्यार्थियों के समक्ष एक ऐसे चित्रकला का स्वरूप तैयार कर सकें, प्रारूप तैयार कर सकें, जिसको लेके हिंदुस्तान में कोई ना कोई चर्चा अवश्य हो। हमने कोशिश की कि पिछले 2 महीनों में हम भारत के सबसे बड़े चित्रकला कार्यशाला के लिए स्वयं को भारत के अलग अलग विद्यालयों के समक्ष प्रस्तुत करें और उनके समक्ष हम एक सामाजिक मुद्दे के साथ उजागर हो सकें। और उसी दिशा में हमने एक विषय को चुना। वो विषय था वासुदेवाय कुटुंबकम, यानी पूरी दुनिया को हम एक परिवार माने। और जब मैंने बेंगलुरु चैप्टर ओपन किया तो मेरे साथ कुछ सीनियर मेंटर्स थे जिनके साथ मैं आज रूबरू होना चाहता हूँ। और मैं ये समझना चाहता हूँ कि जो कोशिश हम युवा के नवनीत एजुकेशन के साथ मिलकर कर रहे हैं, उस पर यहाँ के मेंटर्स और यहाँ के जो पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं उनका ओपिनियन कैसा रहा। तो मेरे साथ इस बातचीत में जुड़ रहे हैं सबसे पहले नम्रता, वेलकम टू आवर दिस इवेंट विच वी कॉल्ड वासुदेव कुटुंबकम, India's biggest art workshop. And then we have Darshan also. Darshan is a senior artist and he is also joining us. Then we have another mentor, Ashwini. So 3 mentors are with me right now, and they are with me in the last 3 days, and they are take control of the complete workshop. Darshan, you are the youngest one upon 3, or all are young. Who is young?
I am the youngest, yes, of course. Since I know their birth dates, I can say.
Okay. So, Darshan, when we first came this idea in front of you, so what is your first view about this concept?
Yeah, I was very happy actually. I mean, it was a great opportunity for the kids, for us to learn many things. And we went to various schools and saw many personalities, right? Every child has his own personality and their creativity. It's boomed so much since the age of internet. So it was really cool. I mean, it was a cool idea, it was a cool opportunity, and we just wanted to be a part of it so much.
Actually, your background is something UI designers. Yes. So, what you think about today's youth? Because today's youth are more involved in reels, more involved in social media. They didn't have time for any kind of creativity on a drawing sheet, on a drawing paper. And you are joining us as a mentor for our workshop. And our core concern is that we bring student out of social media, we bring student out of reels, and give them a practical art experience through our learned kind of mentors. So what you feel about these 3 days, and what is your opinion?
Firstly, thank you so much for having us. And so my background, I specialized in painting, then I turned into UI designer. So I totally agree, children are more into social media and so addicted to reels and Instagram. But what I see when we do such workshop like this, I think we are spreading the awareness that something creative we can do without the social media, something real, the enjoyment brings in when you bring the colors to the paper. So what I'd like to say is, today I stand here heartful with gratitude, and it's a sense of privilege to be part of this workshop. The concept was Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and it's nothing but world as one family, and we are spending the time together in this world, and it's a great awareness. So I mean, it's good to have the educating people in person to the student more than virtual. It's so important in this generation and the era. I really enjoyed, and it was more than opportunity. I would say it's a profound privilege to be part of this workshop, and it's a mutual learning and understanding. I got to learn so many things from the students, and there were so many. As you said, it's a variety of students. Some are privileged students, and some come from a very, I don't say poor background, but a different background. So I could see a lot of variety of students, so that I got the opportunity to interact with them in a creative way, and I feel I'm contributing something to these kids in the artistic development in their for this talented art students. So I feel I did a little bit contribution in my way by teaching them, and also I enjoyed my time with them.
Namrata, I'm just left this conversation here because I just want to ask something else also. Because we are conducting 9 workshops in 3 days and back to back. In 1 day we are conducting 3 workshops, in second day again 3 workshops, and each workshop we have 250 students, and that too class 3rd to class 8. So what is your experience when you are attending the workshop, when you are attending the students, and we give just 1 hour to the school, that in 1 hour 250 students will attend the workshop and they will learn the fine arts under the guidance of yours. So what kind of experience you are collecting through these students, or what is your opinion on the gathering and on the students' point of view? Could you please share it to me?
Yes, please. Thank you very much for providing this kind of an opportunity to be part of this great workshop here. So coming back to this point, what you spoke is that this is really a wonderful experience that I gained over 3 days, being part of this schools of 9 schools, particularly like in Bangalore, and around like more than 2,000 plus students which we have handled right now so far. So based on the interactions that I had with all the students here, with children, I would say that in the current generation, children have lacking quite a lot of fine arts and what is the importance and how it can impact on their mental health and stability. So these are the things that was very evident in most of the children here. So I think that I'm going to emphasize more on this point, that parents and teachers has to really give more importance to the children to learn more and get into more fine arts. So this was a very evident thing that I noticed from this experience. Apart from that, the students are really active, they are really creative, because every child is an artist. So only when that art is kept as when they grow up, that's when they can become a true artist, as Pablo Picasso has already stated that kind of a statement. So this is really very important in every child, that they need to take art very serious in their life. So this is what I would like to focus more upon. And the experience that I have gained from this so far handling these students is that I have to really improve more of my patience level, and also it needs a lot of patience to handle this huge crowd.
Doesn't you also agree with her that it needs a lot of patience?
We all have to learn patience. I mean, the kids have their own patience levels. I mean, everyone has their own degree of patience, right? And we have to adjust to that kind of patience. I mean, we'll have to deal with so many personalities, as I said again.
I totally agree. It's like art of handling.
That's one experience. I mean, learning we had, art of handling experience. I mean, this one, what personalities and patience.
Student will take interest in topics like Vasudhaiva Kutumbkam. What do you think after this workshop? Because we are conducting this workshop across the nation. Already we have conducted this workshop in 70 plus schools and in more than 7 cities. Bangalore is our 8th city, and after that we are moving to Mysuru, and after that we are planning for Delhi also. You think what is that is my last question. What do you think? First of all, I come to you, then Darshan. That Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, being an NGO, this is my prime responsibility. Bring social cause, bring social issues in front of students, in front of schools, in front of teachers, so that they get a good lesson out of it. So you think that this will work, or you think that students will not take interest? What do you think?
100%. I think this is a great initiative that we have taken, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. It doesn't talk about politics, doesn't talk about religion, doesn't talk about any other social issues. So I think it's a great concept to spread awareness with the children, and that's kids are the future. And I really believe that. I think it's a greatest concept to get started with art, and also to spread it in art workshop manner.
Yeah, exactly.
Instead of musical, dance or anything, this is a great way to spread the message.
Because we are club music also.
That's good.
Yeah,
It's a great combination, right? So,
Great combination.
yeah.
Bringing all sort of art
And that is the
forms.
beauty of our culture.
Yeah.
That is the music is the beauty of our culture.
Yeah. I say it's a great start.
Yeah.
I'm hoping and also wishing to expand more across the India so that people
that's what.
will get to know about this.
So,
Message.
what
Art
is
has
the-
really the power,
Power.
immense
Yeah.
power
See.
to change the world.
You've already conducted in 8 cities, right? In the 8 or 8th would be in Mysore. India is already a mini world.
Yes.
We all know that.
Yes.
India, you conducted it in India, so you can conduct it in the whole world.
Right.
Any part of it.
Any part of the globe.
Yeah.
It's every 20 kilometers has some other changes, right?
Yeah.
Every geographical change, there's cultural change, all those things. So you're already combining plenty of characteristics of the world in here. So I think we can do, it's already relevant to the whole world actually. Vasudhaiva Kutumbkam. We are already a mini world Kutumbakam right now.
Yeah, definitely.
With all those religions, with all those, no other part of the world has these many religions. No other world has these types of politics. Though no other part of the world has these many opinions for that matter. So I think it's great. They'll understand. No matter what, Indians will understand. Every child in India will understand Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Anything you would like to add what Darshan says as my last opinion I just want to collect from you. Anything you want to add?
So through this kind of an idea and approach and the diversity that we have in our country, so I think art is really a powerful energy through which we can execute and also express our thoughts and emotions. And also even children would, right from the young age, they will get into the right platform once they grow up. And also it makes them more mentally very strong in their life and how to handle their life in a very peaceful way. So I think art is really going to create a great impact
Right.
in all these things.
So it's a lovely conversation, all of you, and I hope that again we will conduct this kind of workshop with the mentorship of yours.
Sure.
And thank you. तो हम लोगों ने यही कोशिश की है पूरे भारत में जिन भी शहरों में गए हैं कि भारत के सबसे प्रतिष्ठित जो मेंटर्स हैं, जो आर्ट फील्ड के फैकल्टीज़ हैं, उनको बच्चों के साथ जोड़ें और उनको बच्चों के साथ जोड़ के एक ऐसा वातावरण हम बनाएं जहां पर सामाजिक उद्देश्य को हम सामाजिक तरह से आगे ले जा पाएँ। इसीलिए हमने जो है इतना गहन विषय को, जो उपनिषद के 2 शब्द थे वासुदेवाय कुटुंबकम, उसको हम जो है एक तरह से जो है बच्चों के समक्ष ला रहे हैं। और इसी तरह की कोशिश को जब हम आगे भी जाएंगे अलग अलग राज्यों में तो हम आपके साथ साझा करेंगे। आज के लिए इतना ही, धन्यवाद।